Deep in a lush green jungle lived a little yellow bird named Mimi. Mimi dreamed of flying high, but she was terrified to try. Every time Mimi crept to the nest edge, her legs shook too much to move. One evening, she tucked her soft feathers tight and whispered to her mother, "Mom, I'm scared. I can't fly." Her mother nuzzled her gently and gave wise advice. She said, "Courage doesn't mean you feel no fear. It means you learn to push through it. Just believe in yourself." The next morning, Mimi slowly climbed out of her nest. Perched on a swaying branch, her heart hammered as a 100-foot drop gaped below. Her friend Lulu cheered, "I'll fly right beside you. I won't let you fall." Mimi breathed deep, pushed off, and jumped. She plummeted, wind screaming past her ears, then flapped her wings hard. Air caught under them. She was flying. Treetops and glinting creeks spread out below her as she whooped with joy. She was flying.